Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of 2025, the Toyota RAV4. Known for its reliability and versatility, the RAV4 has been a staple in its segment, and the 2025 version brings some exciting updates to keep it ahead of the curve. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has given the 2025 RAV4 a refreshed design that's both sleek and rugged. The front grille is now more prominent, flanked by sharper LED headlights that enhance visibility and add a modern edge. The sculpted lines along the body give it a dynamic look, while the 19-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. It's clear that Toyota aims to turn heads with this one. Under the hood, the 2025 RAV4 offers two powertrain options: a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower and a hybrid variant that combines efficiency with performance, delivering an impressive 219 horsepower. The hybrid system's fuel economy is exceptional, with an estimated 41 mpg in the city, perfect for both urban commutes and road trips. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, and the optional all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction, whether you're navigating city streets or venturing off-road. Inside, Toyota continues to impress with a focus on comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious and well-appointed, featuring premium materials and soft-touch surfaces. The 10.5-inch infotainment screen is a standout, offering seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, the new voice recognition system is faster and more accurate, making it easier than ever to stay connected without taking your eyes off the road. Safety is also top-notch, thanks to Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and a 360-degree camera for added confidence. Now here's today's standout feature: the RAV4's new digital rearview mirror. This high-resolution display provides a crystal-clear view, even if the back seat is full of passengers or cargo. It's a small but game-changing innovation that enhances visibility and safety. Starting at around $29,000, the 2025 RAV4 offers exceptional value for a vehicle packed with technology, performance, and style. Whether you're a daily commuter, an outdoor enthusiast, or a family driver, this SUV ticks all the boxes. That's all for today's review on Auto Insider. Stay tuned because tomorrow we'll reveal another exciting new feature from a vehicle you won't want to miss. Trust me, it's a game changer. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.